So in this particular video we are going to discuss about how to buy eladr token from different platforms and where and all it is available. So basically MinShop is the place where most of the trading is happening. So you could actually buy the eladr token from the MinShop app. So to do that, you have to go to the minshop.org and press on the button launch app. It will open up a new window. In that you could connect your wallet with the the shop, and once you have done that, you can search for the tokens. In top tokens you can actually search for eladr. So it will actually pop up. Once you connected to the wallet, you could actually trade your tokens over here. You can see the pools also where and all the eladr token is available. So here also you can actually see a button called the swap. If you press on that, you can actually trade the token against the ADA. That is in the MinShop case. In the next one is Sunday swap. In Sunday swap, if you go, you have to press on enter app and it will open up a new window, exchange.sundayswap.finance, and search for the pool which is called eladr. Once the eladr pool is opened up, you could actually trade the eladr with the ADA. So you could see the you could open up a window which is just like this, and here how many eladr tokens you have and how many you have to buy. If you change the eladr to ADA, you can actually buy eladr, and vice versa. If you want to sell, you can change the ADA to eladr, and you could actually sell the token in the Sunday swap. Similar way you can do that in the Wing Riders app as well. So press on the enter app button and the Wing Riders app will open up. Here you can actually check the asset which is like eladr. Like you can actually exchange the eladr against ADA, or the vice versa, ADA to eladr. So you could exchange in the Wing Riders app with the eladr token. The another one is Musli shop. Here you can actually, this is a order book exchange where you could actually place a buy order and a sell order, and in that you could actually see the token graph where it started and it's went up and it goes down and things like that. And here you can create a buy order and sell order. You could also see the the trades which has been happened in the trades section over here. And if you want to buy directly from our platform, you could go to eladr.com and check the white paper over here and press on the trade button here, and you can apply for the private offering. So here you can apply and it will open up a new window. Here you have to the minimum purchase order over here is 1000, and the number which is showing here will be changed according to the market price of eladr token. If for example we will be taking that value from the Musli shop exchange, like you can actually how many tokens you want to buy, and you could actually buy directly from the development team itself. So these are the options right now available which helps you to buy eladr token from different platform. Thank you for watching.